Stanley, stand by with us, if you will. Let's bring in West Coast Trial Lawyers President and co-founder, former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani. Thank you both for coming on. Chanley, to you as well. So as we look at the video, we can put this video again. This is Judge Dugan talking to ICE agents, or apparently talking to ICE agents. Does it look damning to you, Neama?
Oh, it does. This is very good evidence for the prosecution, and it supports the Justice Department's account of what happened. Obviously, there's no audio here, but you want to establish knowledge and intent if you're the prosecution. And it appears that Judge Dugan is put on notice of this warrant. Now, she says that they need a judicial warrant. That's not true, and an administrative warrant is fine. She sends the officers away, and then, lo and behold, Flores-Ruiz comes out of that door. So really that intent, you know, the fact that she essentially talks to the officers, they leave, all of a sudden Flores-Ruiz leaves the courthouse. This is what you want if you're prosecuting this case.
Little deception, right? Yeah, Chanley Painter, we're going to have you put your lawyer hat on for us, if you will, right now, because you have the illegal immigrant being escorted out. There is also video of that. And when you put the two pieces of video together, you look at this, right? You look at that, and as Neama was saying here, it looks like this puzzle is starting to come together, and it may benefit prosecutors. What do you think, Chanley?
Oh, no doubt. This is the prosecution's case in this video. All they have to do is show these videos in order to tell the story for them, plus all the eyewitnesses that are in this video as well, the ICE officers, those others in the courthouse who may have overheard things. In the affidavit against Judge Dugan, or formerly Judge Dugan, she's heard saying to this illegal immigrant, hey, come with me, wait, come this way, guiding him to this certain way. The video builds the case. To me, this is going to be something she's going to have to either, I think she's going to fight it, but I would advise maybe working something out at this point.
Meantime, moving on to the story, the big story this week. Here's the Department of Justice press release on the shooting at the Jewish Museum. It says, quoting here, surveillance footage reportedly shows Rodriguez talking about the alleged shooter walking past the victims before turning and firing multiple rounds. After the victims fell, he allegedly continued firing at close range, including as one attempted to crawl away. I mean, does that kind of help, or hate rather? Does it tend to help the prosecution's case when you see that?
It does. I mean, talk about an open and shut case. Really, the only question now is Rodriguez going to get the death penalty? So the fact that they filed federal murder charges, which you don't typically see, leads me to believe that's the case. And when you're Attorney General Pam Bondi and you're weighing those aggravating factors, you have that premeditation, right? You have this heinous act. You have one of the victims crawling away, Rodriguez allegedly reloading, shooting again. The manifesto, the fact that he's saying it's for Gaza, terrorism, multiple victims, really it all sets up for a federal death penalty case here.
Very few mitigating circumstances in a case like that, right?
No question. I mean, there's nothing really here. I mean, if you're the defense, you try to work out some sort of life deal, because otherwise you're going to be on death row.